So this is Swiss Belhotel on South Bank in Brisbane, and I've just checked into the hotel now, so I thought I'd do a really quick tour before I go to work. This is a bedroom as you come through the door, so door's just there, really short kind of corridor. Big bed, looks nice, clean, everything's pretty spotless in here. A really nice kind of sleek, sort of clean design as well. Television, big nice screen here. Might enjoy that tonight when I get back. A little like desk chair area. All of your like directory and things to do in Brisbane. Room service, so always good if you're getting in late or getting in really early and you just want to eat outside of kind of restaurant times. Phone, a little seat area here, and sofa again there. Just take it back over, so you do have like minibar facilities, and up here, so kind of snacks and stuff, some wine, glasses, that kind of thing. Minibar list there, and a kettle. Kettle's always good. So I imagine that all of the tea and all of the coffee and everything is free, and it's just the other stuff in the minibar that's not. So in here, looks good. So iron safe, should be an ironing board somewhere. It might be over this side. Yes, so in the side there, an ironing board, place to hang up all of your stuff. So just things that I look for when I am doing a business trip. I also need a hairdryer most of the time, so those are my two big things. This is coming back around the bathroom area. So shower room, I should say. Here's the shower, very nice, very clean straight away when I came in. Hairdryer, so I'm all good. Towels, really nice, fresh, clean towels. Different toiletries if you need to use them, and kind of all of your little shoe shine. What else is there? Shower caps, sanitary bags, vanity kit, so all of that in case you need anything. Nice clean sink, toilet. And basically this is a few minutes walk from South Bank station, so if you're getting the train in, I just got the air train from the airport, from the domestic terminal, but it also hits the international one as well, and then it comes through to Central and Fortitude Valley and various places. That was my old station when I lived in Brisbane and worked here before. So it's quite nice to be back. I don't have a huge amount of time, but I will explore later. Just remembered to show you, I've got a balcony. You can have a riverside room, or you can have one with a balcony, and just because I'm here with work, I just decided that this one was totally fine. So you've got a table and chairs, and the riverside is there. So there are some rooms with that view as well, that really nice riverside view. And just looking around, there's a medical centre across there, and other like hotels, across the road. And it seems really comfortable and quite a good location for me to stay. So my appointment that I go to is not too far away from here. And I get to come back here and relax afterwards. So, yep, this is the Swiss Belhotel in South Bank, Brisbane.